Hey y'all, what's tea? Y'all, I've been back and forth at my computer for the last couple of days, trying to just get myself. Damn. Damn. Bro, I've been back and forth at the computer just trying to get myself together. Y'all see, I got my little notebook and I'm really getting myself together. Hold on. See my notes? All my content for the next 2 months. Get everything together, my clips, timestamps, all of that. I've been sitting at the computer, setting my videos up because y'all know it's my birthday month, so I just gotta get everything in line. I gotta get the business together before I party, and that's just really what it is. I've been at my computer, like I said, I ain't ate all day, just been eating snacks, cookies, candy, Reese's. So I need to eat. I'm with my little lady, but she can't get the camera right now. You got to get yourself together. We're probably finna go eat Torchy's tacos. We eat Torchy's, right? Yeah. Yeah. I need to put some clothes on. I ain't been outside all day, so I don't know if it's cold. When I say I haven't left the house, we ain't left the house all day. We ain't left this house all day. Anyways, y'all, I guess I'll just see y'all at Torchy's, because bitch wanna play with me up here. I guess I'm finna nibble on another one of these Reese's, because I ain't finna get no food no time soon, because she's steady at that phone. Thank you, get up, thank you. Look where I'm at, guys. Get it trashy, take out the lettuce and add queso. Okay. No, I want to keep the lettuce and add. Okay.
We can do that.
I can do that. Okay, so take the pico off.
And make it trashy.
Yeah, and make it trashy, but keep the lettuce.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get 2 like that. Okay, oh, I got 4 of those. Okay, I got it. And then let me have some hillbilly queso with you. You sure you don't want to drink?
That was.
Okay. I'm just gonna regular fountain drink because she don't want to drink. Okay, hillbilly queso. Looks so good. I really don't remember how it tasted.
Yes, ma'am. This will be under the list right there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem. I'll take this for you guys.
I got my food. Y'all. Want somebody too? I got one. You got one. Oh, they just looking at me. What the fuck y'all looking at? The young kids? Yeah. I think y'all put right down the lighting.
We had a case on the telephone.
Oh, it's great. That was my food. Thank you. Give me your tracker, sis. Thank you. We need some napkins. Where there's some tea out of tea. We ain't ate all day. First time. Because Miss Thing want to speak about it. You was the first one lady on the chicken that time. Yeah, that's that one. His big one. His big one. Yeah. I didn't eat the Bible. I'll have to read today. God, this food is so good. I'm a queso on mine. Hey, put some water on there. Some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. tone. Let me see if I like this green. I don't remember if I like the green color. So I'm trying to find something pink for my photo shoot. Good luck to motherfucking me. Really going like for a slutty look, cause I already got my let's do it look, if you know what I'm saying. So I went in Fashion House 5 minutes, baby. Epic fail. Epic fucking fail. So hello. Yeah, Fashion House is a fail. It's one of my favorite place ever. And I'm probably not about to find nothing up in here. Well, at least not what I need. But I'm gonna find something to fucking pick up and put in this basket. Per usual. So I'll be back with that's just skirt is so fucking cute. I wish they had my size. I'll be back with all the fucking goodies I find. That boy is nasty. That boy funky as fuck. And you should not be feeling like that. It's in the air tonight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind. Hey y'all, I need to find my stand. Let me see. Glory to His name. I seen it. Oh, there you go. What have I done since? Okay, so I went to Fashion House earlier. Epic fail. I didn't find anything. I went to Ross. I got a couple of shirts. These bottoms that I have on now because it was cold and it's hard to put some on. And what else? Some other stuff I don't even remember. But this is my dinner for tonight. It was crack-a-lacking. I wanted Olive Garden, so we got Olive Garden. I've been wanting to cook and I just haven't been having time. So yeah, this is what we on tonight. I got church in the morning, so I'm about to lay down and go to sleep after I eat and I watch TV till I fall asleep. It's 2:22. Hey, Angelic Numbers. It's 2:22. But yeah, it's late and I've been home. I've been trying to get stuff together, but I needed to clean up a little bit. I've cleaned up enough. Duke has been having my house a mess. Yeah, y'all, I'm finna eat and go to bed. Y'all, I just got out of church. Give me to eat, son. I just got out of church. I'm home, waiting for my nephew's birthday dinner to start. I got a lot of clothes to wash, so really I'm finna start washing a lot of clothes right now. I'm finna straighten up, so when I do get home, things will be together. What else to do? I need to order my groceries, but it's the first Sunday, the first Sunday of the new year, and baby, let me tell you, when I tell you I feel a release. Church was amazing. One thing about me, and when it comes to church, I'm gonna cry, shout, stomp, whatever, baby. So I'm gonna get it out. But church was really good. What's on the agenda for today? My nephew dinner and stuff, but nothing really major. I'm just finna like do some chilling and stuff. So I'm finna make my little bed up real quick. Duke, you are supposed to be eating right now. We need to change and get into some cool clothes.
can I have a tequila sunrise? Yeah. Okay.
Because when it comes to a drink, you gonna actually have to put these clothes in the cleaner. That ain't gonna come out. All this right. That's because we greedy and we got 3. He got 3 rices. He got 3 rices. I got 3 rices. He got, what you got 4 rices for? You know, Lord. And this one got 2 rices. Happy birthday!
1G less a key than what the service we're offering you.
That's generous of you.
Los diablos y los insane princes han estado guerreando.
Tiene una sociedad sin revolú. Es puro negocio, bro. Tú sabes. I'm already your customer. Too eager. So let's keep it that way.
Motherfucker. I don't know what you're talking about. Messing up his ass.